Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try the viral cranberry candy recipe. I know you guys have seen this all over TikTok, all over Instagram, and this is perfect for the holidays, so I'm really hoping that this is a great snack that I can add to my holiday menu. Super easy recipe. I'm just going to be following it exactly how it was on TikTok. And I'm gonna let you know what I really think, honestly, of this recipe. We're gonna take some cranberries, these are fresh cranberries, and I'm gonna add them to a larger bowl. And we're now gonna add, this is not gonna be an entirely low carb recipe, it's the holidays, enjoy yourselves guys. But you could totally make this low carb if you wanted to. I'm gonna be using organic orange juice, and I'm also gonna be using champagne. Now you can use Prosecco, you could use a diet like Sprite, that's fine as well. But I wanna make this a little bit boozy, a little fun adult snack for the holidays. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your orange juice and you're gonna add it to the bowl. We're gonna add it to about halfway up the bowl. All right, and now we're gonna add our champagne. The important thing is you just want to make it really fizzy. And other than orange juice, you could also use pineapple juice if you wanted, really whatever you want. I'm just going to mix this all around. Make sure that the orange juice is combined with the champagne. And then we're going to cover this with a lid. We're going to let it sit in the fridge for about an hour. You can do this, prep it ahead of time, do it overnight, do whatever you want, however much time you have. So let's throw this in the fridge for an hour. Our cranberries are finished soaking, and I'm gonna take a Ziploc bag and I'm just going to strain the cranberries out of our champagne and orange juice and throw them into the bag. Do not throw out this liquid. You can drink it. It's a cocktail. So just enjoy it, leave it, do whatever you want with it, but definitely don't waste it. I forgot to mention before that our cranberries are washed and clean. You want to make sure that they're clean. They're not clean when they're in the bag, so make sure you do that before you do this. Now, if you have regular powdered sugar, you can go ahead and use that. I'm going to be using the Swerve confectioner sugar, really whatever you have. They work exactly the same. And I'm going to add it into the bag. We're going to add about 1.5 cups to start. Close up our bag, and we're gonna shake this until the cranberries are fully coated. My oven is preheated to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna take these cranberries and we're gonna lay them out on a sheet pan. Our cranberries are now ready to go into the oven. We're gonna put them in for about 5 to 7 minutes just to let them completely dehydrate. Our cranberries are finished. I've let them cool down. And now at this stage, you can either just eat them when they're totally cool or throw them in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour to get it really cold. I'm gonna try it just cooled down. This one is really well coated. Some of them weren't as well coated as the other ones. We're gonna try this one right here. Cheers. Oh, I get why that's popular. A little bit tart from the cranberry, but not too tart because it was in that champagne and orange juice. Soaked up a lot of that flavor. And the powdered sugar is just a nice sweet touch. I totally get why this is popular. This is super addicting. So I cannot wait for you guys to try it. 10 out of 10 for me. I'm definitely gonna be making this more often, especially around the holidays, especially around winter time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.